This way.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Thank you.
You look good. That's funny. Whoa.
Take me a picture with that background. Hurry, baby. No one's there.
Please.
Come on. I'm just so, am I phone?
Now this is where I wanted my birthday party to be at. Shoot. Is that from Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Everyone turn this way.
There's a little leaf right there.
Baby, come
And
here.
there's like,
Look at mama.
hang on, guys. Hurry up. Let's go. I'm not here to give people free dumb tours. And that's not you guys. It's different people that pass by. Bamboo. This is not a dumb hike. This is not a dumb hike, Abby.
Jace, this is a long time and stop recording.
Shut up. I'm deleting Minecraft if you keep it up. For real, Abby.
Really?
Okay, I'm deleting Minecraft. You're showing off just so that way you can...
Hey, over here. Over here, please. Come over here, please.
Whatever.
Wait for your mom and dad. Come on.
Do we have to?
What? What is it? I'm not. I am behaving. This is the one that's snitching on me.
Still, that is you. Then you just admit yourself that you're not behaving.
He does. Dad, Jace doesn't behave at all.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Effort to me.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Your pants are on fire.
I don't care. You can die higher. Fly higher.
You're a liar.
I don't care.
Get yourself out of the family.
I really don't care.
Liar.
I really don't care. I really don't care. I really don't care.
No, Dad. Come on, you stop. Don't stop. Dad, come on, you stop recording.
Look at this beautiful nature, guys.
Dad,
This nature's so good.
he is recording it right now.
Hope not, Jace.
Syria.
But it's for also our memories, Dad.
He is Dad. Dad,
I don't have TikTok.
he's recording right now.
I have YouTube, but not TikTok. They're not the same.
No,
They're-
you have TikTok right now.
No, I don't.
Yes, you are, Chase.
TikTok users have to be 15 or older. They don't let you. And if you're not 15 or older, Allie. YouTube is 9+.
Yes, but you stop.
YouTube Kids is 5+.
You make yourself
It's right here, this trail. This trail will dead end at the falls.
Where are we going?
And you have to come back this way to get back out of the park.
Can we go?
And what's that over there?
Right here by the falls.
Perfect.
Stop. No, you need to move.
Jace, Angel, move to the right. Let them go through.
Oh, come
Let
on.
them go through.
I'm not gonna be fast.
No? Okay, good. We're
my type of
trying not to
people.
hold people up. But
My
that's
type
what
of people. I don't go fast either.
You're here with the right. Hey, you're with the right crew. It's true. It could be worse. It's actually
That's
there's
right.
small steps, which makes it manageable.
Can you just for a jump hike? No more.
We'll see a waterfall.
This is just a jump hike, Dad. My feet are already running. Dad, let's just go back.
I wish there was a koala right now. Not the drop bear one. Not the evil koala that can kill you. I want the normal cute little baby koalas.
So Dad, then I'll come.
Has anyone spotted a butterfly yet?
Nope.
Yes.
Liar, liar.
No, you need to spot it and let us see it. Like you need to say, look, there's a butterfly. Because then I can say I spot it.
You guys will fall away.
Angela, niña.
We weren't far away.
Look how different this plant is. Look. Now, so be
quiet,
careful. Look, listen, come here. There's plants that you will touch, will rub you. You may not know, and it seems like something bit you, like a spider, but it's actually their hair because it's poisonous. Did you guys know that? I don't know if it's that plant, but see how you keep the little hairs there? Yeah. Or like, yeah.
Skip it, Mom.
Huh?
I said skip the
That's a stupid story? Okay. Well,
Whoa.
you don't have to You like it?
Now this is beautiful. Whoa.
Turn around.
No.
Isn't it?
Continue.
I love it. Here, Allie, take a
Portrait.
picture of mommy.
Fine.
Right there.
I'll be over there.
Come on, let them go.
You have to stop.
Angel, let them go.
So pretty. So pretty.
Take a picture of me right here. No, I want a picture. You take a picture.
I just want to get that mix off. Can I see kids watching me? Better not be those dumb trees in the New Jersey or the walkers. Okay. Oh, yep. I'm being watched by trees. Guys, if you see this, I'm being watched by
Carlos,
trees.
take it. Why you haven't her take it? She wants to take it. She wants to take it. I want her to be in the
Cause like Ryan Reynolds from the Fortnite.
Huh? You're mi madre's way.
Come on.
Come on.
This way. She's like, where are we going?
We're going back.
Yep, I agree for her.
Whoever wants to go back can go with me right now.
No.
Alright.
We're almost there.
Well, that is a base YP, like $25.
Look, you guys, look. It's like they're connected, but they're not, to the ground. To the earth to land. Be careful, these could be.
Fortnite.
Move to your right. Move to your right.
Be careful, these could be.
To the Fortnite. To the Fortnite. To the Fortnite. Shoot.
I don't know what size is that.
On the right side, look this side. Walk on this side, people coming down, walk on this side.
This is the white side. Okay? Big side. I know. My left is white.
Come here, Angelina, come in here. Go, baby, let's go.
It's gone.
This does feel like jungle.
Yeah. This is the kind of theme I wanted for my birthday last year. Kind of what I
I
wanted.
need you to stop right now. I need you to stop right now. No, you're not hungry. We literally fed you less than an hour ago. You ate your whole meal.
Oh. Now it's getting way tiring, Mom. Ugh.
Just going up.
Jeez, you guys are lucky you guys can just watch this. And I have to be watching. Show you guys the best.
Slow. Walk on your own.
Alright.
Walk slow.
I can't fix it on.
Me too.
No, you can't tell me to be
Once
quiet.
we get there, we'll be fine. Please.
Yeah. We can just call the USA to get a helicopter. Helicopter.
Oh, was that the shortcut?
There's apparently some. I mean, when we came before, we didn't do all this.
So that's probably the shortcut, yeah.
Yeah. Where it was blocked.
Look, that's moving. That means something's there.
Move, Angelina.
Do you see?
Could just be wind.
Something around.
That leaf just fell. I called that. Whoa.
I need you to walk.
Shoot, that looks beautiful.
Look at this tree, guys. It's like a vine with a tree. Look.
I know. Looks beautiful. Oh, jeez.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh. Holy, I never know Hawaii had this kind of stuff. The cone. Hawaii Kona.
Oh, this is tropical.
Somebody walking, somebody walking by.
My feet.
You're nearly there.